Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to mass bulk upload product into your TikTok shop. So let's get started. Now I'm already on my TikTok shop seller center, and on the left side of the screen you can see the navigation menu to all the things that you can do on this platform. Now we're going to focus on the product management or on the product sections here. So you can see that there is a bunch of options that you can do with the products on your TikTok shop. You can manage your product, you can create product bundles, you can take a look at the product optimizer, you can add new product, price bidding, price diagnosis, product rating, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the manage products here. What you'll be able to do here is you can see the product that you have on your TikTok shop, and you can see that we have this bulk actions option. Now if you click on it, you can see the options for bulk listing, bulk edit products, bulk edit product images, batch manage, size chart, sync product from other platform. So there are going to be two ways that I'm going to show you in this tutorial. The first one is the bulk listing, where you can create your list of product with the help of the templates that they're going to give you. So for example, if I'm going to be adding an accessory or a jewelry product, I can just go ahead and search for accessory. Like for example, this one's right here. I got jewelry and accessories options here, and you can select the brand. Let's say that I don't have a brand for this one. Then I can go ahead and click download template. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and open the templates once it's downloaded. So it's going to be this one's right here. So this is how the templates look like. You can see that there is a bunch of things that we will have to fill in, like the main product image, the product image, etc. And we got the instructions here, as well as the image that we can add and the example of how it looks like. And once you create your own version of the templates, you can just then go ahead and upload the spreadsheets here, and it's going to insert your product automatically. So that is the first way on which you can bulk upload your product to your TikTok shop. The second way you can do that is by choosing other options. I'm just going to get back to our managed product here. So you're going to go ahead and click sync product from other platform. Now this is going to be useful if, let's say, you're doing a drop shipping type of business. So for example, let's say I want to click on Shopify here, because this is the platform that I'm going to be using. So I already have a bunch of product on my Shopify. Let's say that I want to add it into my TikTok shop. So once you click on the platform you want to choose, you'll be able to find a bunch of apps that will be able to help you connecting those products to your TikTok shop. So I am going to be using one of the apps that will help me, and I'm going to be using this one right now. And all I have to do is add my detail, and then I can install this app into my TikTok shop. Alright, so I have already set up the TikTok shop by SPL apps, which is the one that we got from our TikTok shop option. So this is an app that will help us to connect Shopify into our TikTok shop. And there is a bunch of customizations that you can do with this app. And before you'll be able to see this dashboard, you will need to do some setup. Next, once you're done with that, you'll be able to go to the product sections right here. So you can actually add all of the product here, and then you can go ahead and click on sync to TikTok. So you can select the category first. I happens to have all of the category under the accessory or jewelry option, so I'm going to choose that. So this is actually a fashion accessory, and it's actually some jewelry. And then you can go ahead and add more options if you want to, or you can just go ahead and click create product on TikTok. And once you do that, it is going to help you to add those products into your TikTok shop. And you can see now that it is still processing for now. And if it's failed adding, you can just go ahead and click on the Fix Me options, and then you can take a look at what the problem is. So you can see that this is the problem with that specific product. So you can just go ahead and take a look at it. So I happen to have the problem with the shipping method or the shipping sizes because I forgot to add the weight of my product. So what I did is I'm clicking on the Fix Me options here, and I'm just going to change the shipping length. The shipping length, and then the shipping width, as well as the shipping height. So this is also one thing that you will need to adjust when you just installed this app into your Shopify. Then I'm just going to add the shipping weight, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on Save. And now we can see that after this, the product is going to be successfully installed into my TikTok shop. So you can see that it says that the product is synchronized successfully and it's now live on my TikTok shop. Now I'm going to go to my TikTok to see whether I really do have that product on my TikTok Seller Center or not. As you can see, I now got all of the product from my Shopify added into my TikTok shop. If you remember, I've started with just these two products, and now I got all of the product from my Shopify added into my TikTok shop. So this is another way in which you can add your mass bulk upload into your TikTok shop. Let's say if the templates one, which is this one, is a little bit too complicated for you and you want something easier, you can definitely try out the second method. And if you find it hard to find this apps right here, you can also try other apps such as AutoDS. I'm going to go ahead and open it. So AutoDS is another platform that you can use to mass bulk update your product into your TikTok shop. You can actually add your TikTok store directly into AutoDS. The only problem is that it only supports TikTok shop for United States for now, and they're not available for other countries. But if you live there, you can definitely try out AutoDS because they offer you free trial. And you can try the mass bulk update with that. And for the TikTok shop by SBL itself, it actually has several plans that you can choose. So I'm just going to show you real quick. They have the standard, pro, enterprise, basic, as well as the starter. And the cost is pretty expensive, but if you're going to be using this for a long term, consider this as a very good investment for your business. Again, as you can see, it added the product seamlessly. You don't have to fill in the product details one by one. It's going to do it for you. And I think that it is a very easy way to mass bulk update your product to your TikTok shop. And that's basically it. That is how you can add mass bulk upload for your product on your TikTok shop. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.